All right, so I'm having my first real world problem with my editing system and file management. Day 9 here, and I'm failing. But this is a learning lesson. This is what it's all about, growth. Unfortunately, I have to use my cell phone, and I'm committed to uploading a video every day here, so I guess I'm just going to have to throw this video up explaining why I'm down and out. So pretty much, I had a bunch of footage already shot today. Going to sit down here. Kids are about to go to bed, and I upload everything to my laptop here, and I started uploading to Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere started throwing a bunch of error codes saying the audio files are not going along with it. Couldn't figure it out. I realized I needed an Adobe update. So I go do an Adobe update. Fail, 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 fail. I'm on the phone with customer service trying to relocate my install file destination. Still can't work. Everything has to go, I'm learning this now, has to go to the C drive on my laptop because all my window files that communicate with the software are all located on that drive. So everything has to be on the C drive, which my C drive, I'll give you a quick look here, is in the red. I don't know if you can see this. It's probably blowing out. Oh, but I'm in the red. We got a bad situation here. We got Hudson crying. Kids want to go to bed. Wife's not around. Hey, what can I say? It's a great day. This is real life. Hudson, buddy, stop hitting your face on the chair. Oh my God. Buddy. All right, look. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. All right, listen, I gotta finish the video. Let Dad finish the video. All right, so the moral of the story is, guys, I can't work on my video tonight because I can't edit in Adobe Premiere until I clear my C drive. And yes, I tried clearing my C drive already a couple times, but I've literally cleaned my disk space, removed my recycling bin, all that stuff, but it's clogged up. I don't know what it is. I think it's all my Adobe stuff and files and stuff that I've been loading here for the last week or two. I gotta relocate and learn this. So, moral of the story is I can't post a real video, so you're getting a real world video, unedited and raw. The problem is tomorrow I'm back in the firehouse, so I don't know. You're probably gonna get another one of these. But don't worry, guys. I'm not giving up. I don't give up. So, if you got any advice, leave a comment below. I need some help. I need some external hard drives. What do you guys recommend? Let me know. I gotta put this monkey to bed. Good night. Say night-night. 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 Bye.